Hello everyone, Jason Markowitz here from Jan Supply, and today I wanted to show you all one of my personal favorites. It's the TruShot 2.0 Mobile Dispensing System. And what's nice about this is in one package you have the opportunity to use a multi-surface cleaner, a restroom cleaner, a glass cleaner, and a degreaser. So it's really everything you would need to get through cleaning a facility in one small convenient package. The key to this, of course, is the trigger sprayer. And what's nice about this is it's got a water reservoir here, and all of these concentrates click in. So while you're on the go, it's very easy to switch chemicals or use something specific. It really is as easy as click. And now that it's clicked in, you can use the water that's in the reservoir to mix with the concentrate to dispense the proper dilution for whatever chemical you're using, for whatever application you're using. Now, because of all this, there's a few pretty cool differentiators. The first would be that there's no mixing, there's no measuring, and there's no stopping. You know, you can go from cleaning a restroom right into disinfecting some desks at an office with literally one click. You know, so there's a release button here, which releases the cartridge. This one we've got in our hand is the hospital disinfectant cleaner. And then if you wanted to, you could switch to a restroom cleaner. Again, just one quick, easy click. And another great feature about these is the cartridges themselves don't spill, which really does a lot to help reducing prep and cleanup. I mean, we can hold these guys upside down and shake them, and absolutely nothing comes out. And you know, in addition to that, what's great is it works well if you have a team of cleaners. You don't have to worry about people, you know, measuring concentrates and figuring out dilution ratios. It really is very, very simple and very easy for pretty much anybody to operate. And one of the great added benefits is the OSHA approved labels. No matter what, because of the way that the concentrates are designed, everything is labeled properly, so you don't have to worry about any fees or fines. Say goodbye to that $7,500 fine for not having things labeled properly. And you know, another great added feature is the flexibility. You know, you don't have to stop and run back to the janitor's closet if you run out of juice. You know, with this, the water reservoir is right here. It's about 10 ounces. And it's very easy to fill up at any sink, any drinking fountain or water bottle fill station. So again, it's that added convenience feature and not having to make another trip across the facility to get back to the janitor's closet. Now, of course, everyone's wondering what the cost is. These cartridges sell for around $20 a piece. And depending on what chemical is inside, you can get 13 to 43 spray bottles of ready-to-use cleaning, you know, chemical. That whether it be for the restroom cleaner or the multi-surface cleaner. And if we compare that to a ready-to-use bottle, you know, usually those bottles are about $4 a piece. And that means you're probably only going to get about five spray bottles for that $20 spend. So you're getting an exponentially more, or a much better value for your dollar, depending on, you know, which concentrate you're using. And you know, it really just, again, makes it easy and adds the value. You could, if you're starting a new account, you could literally just buy this starter kit here, and you know, you can send it off to that janitor's closet and you'll be good to go for quite some time. The other thing that a lot of people wonder about is, you know, the actual use of the sprayer and whether or not it's durable. These are guaranteed for a year from SC Johnson, so that's great. It gives us that peace of mind. But in addition to that, they do feel pretty robust, and they feel a lot stronger than a regular spray bottle, if you will. Not to mention, they all go through that 6-foot drop test to make sure that it's sturdy enough for the use that we'll be putting it through in the field, especially, you know, going out to the different types of accounts we have within the janitorial industry. So that's just a little bit of an intro on TruShot. Please feel free to check out our website, www.jan-supply.com, and check out the description below. We'll have a few, you know, facts about TruShot in writing and links to where you could purchase it. And please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.